Hey, hello everyone, welcome to Blue Chip Algo's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to connect Zerodha's Kite terminal with our Algo tools. Many people come from Zerodha and they struggle to do this API integration, but it is very simple. In this video, we are going to show you step-by-step process of how to integrate API with our trading Algo tools. Firstly, go to bluechipalgos.com. Here you find all our innovative algo tools, and the process remains same for all the tools. Even we are developing more algo tools in future. For them also, the process of integration will be similar. So in this video, we will show you the API configuration for one of our tools, and you can follow the same process for others as well. And in case if anybody is new and they do not know about our algo tools, you can visit our website or visit our YouTube channel. Alright, so now we have three tools just to show a demo. These three tools are the desktop tools from bluechipalgos.com. First one is tradebots. This is especially developed for time-based trading for people who trade in options, straddles and strangles. Second is discretionary one, trade disk. It is especially developed for options discretionary traders. And the third one is a scalping tool. It's a specialist, the most powerful and advanced tool for scalpers. So as far as API integration is concerned, you receive one email ID and password from us at the time of registration. You need to enter that email ID and password and click on connect button. Once you click on connect button, you see all the brokers for which we developed these tools. You have to select Zerodha since your broker is Zerodha. There are only 5 fields that you have to fill, and once you quickly fill these 5 fields, link will be established or connection will be established, and you can place the orders from these algo tools, and those orders will be sent to your trading terminal. Okay, the first one is client ID. Very straightforward. Whatever is your client ID, that will be displayed here. Please note that you cannot change this. It is fixed. Whenever you register with us, we take the client ID and we fix it here. You cannot change the client ID. And then the password is again very straightforward. Whatever password that you use to log in into your Kite terminal, the same password you have to provide here. So this is one of our dummy accounts. So client ID and password, very straightforward as I mentioned. And then we need TOTP secret, API key and API secret. These are the 3 things that we need to provide. First, we will see how to get API key and API secret. These two come from the same place only. So we will see how to get these two. For these two, all you have to do is Kite has something called, or Zerodha has something called Kite Connect. Okay, go to Google and type Kite Connect login and click on the first link. Now once you click on the first link, you get a screen like this. Now please note that the email ID and password that you give here are totally different from Zerodha's Kite terminal. Kite is different from Kite Connect. Kite Connect is for APIs. Okay, so you need to click on the sign up and then fill the form, and you get one confirmation link. Click on that and your sign up will be done. It's for free of cost. You don't need to pay anything until this step. Once you get email ID and password, enter the email ID, enter the password and log in. Okay, once you log in, you get a screen like this. Okay, where you can create API, okay, or create applications, right? So before that, I suggest you to do one thing. Kite API is not free. They charge 2000 rupees for 30 days. So before starting the process, all you have to do is go to billing and then add some funds to this, 2000 rupees, 4000, 6000, something like that. Or you can also alternatively connect this with your Kite account, which means you can connect your Kite Connect account with your Zerodha Kite terminal, so that funds will be deducted directly from your Kite account. Okay, once after you do that, come to step 2. Step 2 is nothing but go to my apps and then hit on create new app. Once you hit on create new app, you need to provide 4 details. 4 details are mandatory: app name, Zerodha client ID, redirect URL and description. App name you can give anything like Blue Chip Algos or something like that, and Zerodha client ID you can give your client ID. Redirect URL is very, very important. All you have to do is you need to provide this URL. We will put it in the description. Please do not make mistakes. Some people add spaces, some people they enter typos, so please do not do it. Copy paste if possible. https://zerodha.com/ okay, and no need to enter any postback URL. Give some description whatever you want and then hit on create. Okay, only 4 fields, give them and hit on create. Once after you do that, one row will be created like this, and if you click on that, you see something called API key. Copy this API key, go to our application, paste it in API key, and then click on show API secret. Again you will get a lengthy key like this. Copy that also and then put it in the API secret. That's it. Okay, API key, API secret, they both come from this only. But you also have to do one additional step. Again, please do not forget, this is a precautionary step to ensure that your APIs are working fine. What that step is, you need to go to the browser, paste this URL. We will give the URL, we will put it in the description, and at the end you see something called API_key equal to. Okay, so come here, copy this key, paste it here. This is your full URL, and then hit on enter. Ideally, since I have already authorized, I am not getting any authorize button, but if you are doing it for the first time, you will get one authorize button, and hit on the authorize button. It will ask you to sign into your Kite account. Just enter the client ID, password, and then log in into the Kite account, and it will be authorized. If you also get this screen, then you don't need to worry, it's already authorized. Okay, so don't forget this step. I will put the link in the description. All right, so once we are done with this, we have the API key, API secret. As I mentioned, API key you can copy and then hit on show API secret. You will get a code, enter that code here. API key and API secret are done. Now the last one that we need to get is TOTP secret or TOTP generator. Now please understand, many people do the mistake of entering 6-digit code there, but it is not the 6-digit code we are asking. We are asking TOTP secret or TOTP generator. Okay, it's a lengthy key, very lengthy key that you need to enter there, so that every day you don't need to enter 6-digit code. It will automatically generate the 6-digit code and it will log in itself. Okay, every day morning you need to come, hit on connect, and then select Zerodha. All this will be auto saved, and then hit on login button. That's it. You don't need to give 6-digit code every day. For that reason, we are asking TOTP generator or TOTP secret. Now we will see how to get the TOTP secret. You have to go to your Zerodha account and log out. After you give the password and hit on login, here you get the external TOTP section. Do not give 6-digit code, instead hit on problem with external TOTP, and then again it will give you another option, forgot 2FA. So you need to hit on forgot 2FA. Okay, once after you hit on forgot 2FA, it will give you a small form. Here you need to enter your user ID, PAN number, and your registered email ID. Do not forget to enter registered email ID. Okay, and captcha code. Once after you enter all these 3, it will send you a code to your registered email address. So once after you enter the OTP and hit on connect button, it will ask you to enter the password. You can give the same password again, whichever is your old password, and then hit on continue. This is the step where you reset your external authenticator. Okay, please do not select the first one. By default it will be selected, but you have to select the second method, which is external authenticator, and hit on setup TOTP. Now you get one QR code, and below that you get one key. Click on this, can't scan ? Copy key. If you click on that, you get one TOTP lengthy key that we require. You need both. In fact, this QR you need to scan in probably Google Authenticator or some other authenticator app. Scan this one, and that will start give you 6-digit code. Okay, that is also important, and this is also important. This one you have to copy and give it in our application. Okay, So once after you do that, please do not stop the process here. It is not yet done. Again, many people enter here and try to log in and say that, sir, it is not logging in, because the process is not completed. First finish this process. All you have to do is scan this QR with your Google Authenticator, and then the Google Authenticator will start giving you 6-digit code. Now take the code, put it here, and then hit on continue. Now the process is successful. Even after that, I suggest you to log in once. Just enter your password again, and then you have to enter the 6-digit code here, and first time make sure that it is successful. Once it is successful, now come to our application and then enter all these things and then hit on login. The login will be successful. So that's all you have to do. It hardly takes like 5 to 7 minutes, and once you enter all these things, from next day onwards you don't need to repeat. All this will be saved. You just have to hit on connect and login. And in case if you have any more questions even after following this step-by-step process, please do not hesitate, contact us. We will help you with TeamViewer or AnyDesk. Okay, so that's how we connect Kite terminal with our Algo tools. And for any more questions, you can reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching the video and have a great day.